Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bandana. So subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video. For this tutorial here I am using brown color of yarn. You see clearly 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissor. So let's get started. First we're gonna make slip knot. For making slip knot, hold yarn like this. Just in fingers, you see clearly. Now insert your hook. Wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb. Now yarn over and just pull it through the loop. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on the loop. Just insert your hook and make chain, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Just like this. First we're gonna make 6 chains. Here my 4 chains complete. 5 and 6. My 6 chains complete. Now in first chain we're gonna make 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn. Here you see we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here we have first 3 double crochet stitch. Next we're gonna make chain 2, yarn over, pull it through the loop just like this. Here we have 2 chain, again make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Just yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, make 3 double crochet. Here my 3 double crochet complete. Now chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into the same chain. Just 1 more. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my first row complete. You see clearly here we have corner of triangle. When we make corner we make 2 chains and in the side we make 1 chain. Just for the next row make 5 chain on top. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is counted like first double crochet. Now in first space we're gonna make 3 double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, make 3 double crochet into first space. When we increase the row, here we increase the space. Now for the next space make 1 chain and make again corner in the triangle space. First we're gonna make 3 double crochet, then 2 chain on top. Just yarn over and pull it through the loop. 2 chain and again make 3 double crochet into the same space. Here my 3 double crochet complete. You see clearly the corner of triangle. Now for the next space make 1 chain on top. Just for the next space chain 1 and make 3 double crochet into the same space. Here my 3 double crochet complete. Now make 1 chain on top and make again 1 double crochet into the same space. Just like this. You see clearly my second row complete and we have 1 extra space on second row. Now for the next row again make 5 chain on top and just repeat the same pattern. Turn your work and in first space we're gonna make 3 double crochet. This 5 chains work as a first 3 chain is 1 double crochet and next 2 chain in just like chains. Here my 3 double crochet complete. Now for the next space chain 1 on top and in next space we're gonna make 3 double crochet again. Here my 3 double crochet complete. Now chain 1 and next we're gonna make the corner. First we make 3 double crochet, then 2 chain on top, then again 3 double crochet into the same space, just like this. You see clearly how I make corner. For making corner, 2 chain on top, and in another space we're gonna make 1 chain on top, just 1 chain, and in the next space we're gonna make 3 double crochet, here my 3 double crochet complete, chain 1 on top, and in the next space we're gonna make first 3 double crochet, then chain 1 on top, yarn over and pull it through the loop and make 1 more double crochet into the same space. You see clearly my third round is complete. Here we have the triangle shape. Now for the next row repeat the same pattern. First we're gonna make 5 chain on top, just 5 chains. At the beginning of new row we're gonna make first 5 chains, and in the same space we're gonna make 3 double crochet stitch. Just you see clearly in this video. Don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. Follow every step for making bandana. Then chain 1 and make 3 more double crochet into the next space. When you increase the row, here we increase the space. When you increase the row, here we increase the space. Chain 1 and repeat same pattern. In every space we're gonna make 3 double crochet and chain 1 on top, and in the corner we're gonna make first 3 double crochet stitch, then 2 chain on top, and then repeat 3 double crochet into the same space for making corner. Here my corner complete. Now for the next space chain 1 on top and 3 double crochet into the next space. Again chain 1 on top and 3 double crochet into the next space. Again chain 1 on top and 3 double crochet into the next space. In the last space we're gonna make first 3 double crochet, then chain 1 and then 1 more double crochet into the same space, just like this. You see clearly my fourth round is complete. Now for the next round, at the beginning of new round, first we're gonna make 5 chain, then 3 double crochet, then chain 1 on top, then in the next space we're gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. For making corner, first we're gonna make 3 double crochet, then 2 chain on top, then again 3 double crochet, and repeat the same pattern on another side. Here my 19 rows complete. You see clearly how I make this. Now in the last, you see clearly here you see clearly. Now chain 1 on top. Next we're gonna make the sides of the bandana. Here we're gonna make single crochet stitch. For making single crochet, here I make chain 1 on top. You see clearly how I make this, and in the stitches we're gonna make single crochet. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn, yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. You see clearly how I make this. Just repeat same pattern in every chain. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. Repeat the same pattern in every chain. Here you see clearly how I make single crochet stitch. Make sure don't skip any chain. Repeat the same pattern of 3 sides of triangle and complete this. Here my 3 sides complete with single crochet stitch. You see clearly how neat it is. Now here I make last stitch of single crochet. Just insert a hook, pull the yarn over and pull it twice. In the last we're gonna make slip stitch. In the first double crochet insert a hook, pull the yarn twice. Now yarn over and pull it. Cut it with your scissors. Now pull the leftover and secure your work. Pull it tightly like this. You see clearly. Now hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. You see clearly. I will show you clearly how I make this. Don't skip any part for making any mistake. Make sure you follow each step of making bandana. You see clearly how I hide completely. Next we're gonna make the strap of bandana. For making strap here I am also using the brown color. First we're gonna make slip knot, yarn over and pull it just. Next we're gonna make chain. Here I make total of 60 chains. Just yarn over and pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern, make total of 60 chains according to your head size. Just repeat same pattern, make 60 chains. Here my 60 chains complete. You see clearly how I make this. Next we're gonna make slip stitch and attach the chain with your bandana. Make sure you take the front side of the bandana. You see clearly how I take this. Just the front side and take the corner of front side and just make slip stitch. Insert your hook into the corner and pull the yarn twice in both chain. Just like this. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. Next we're gonna make slip stitch in the every chain of front side. You see clearly. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. Here I attach it. You see clearly how comfortable it is. Complete this row with same pattern. Just make slip stitch. Repeat the same pattern until you reach in the end. Here I complete my first row with single crochet stitch. Now I reach in the last. Just make last stitch. Just insert your hook and pull the yarn twice. Next we're gonna make 60 chains again on top for making the second strap of the bandana. Here my 60 chains complete totally. Now pull the leftover yarn and cut it with your scissors. Now pull the leftover yarn and secure your work in the end. Now hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. I will show you clearly in this video. Just insert your hook into the chain and pull the yarn inside the chain. You see clearly. I will show you clearly in this video, so don't skip any part of the video for making any mistake. And make sure your work neat and clean. For making neat and clean work, we're gonna hide the leftover yarn neatly. Now repeat the same pattern on another side. And here our crochet bandana is ready. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.